Hi guys, welcome to my channel Software Testing by MKT. As a part of this video, I'm going to show you how to run multiple test cases or multiple classes in the TestNG. After running multiple test cases together in the TestNG, how to generate its report, right? So let's get started. I hope you guys remember TestNG playlist till now. I have created so many classes like 2, 3, 1. Oh, this is not the one, so I will rather delete it. 4, 5, and many. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add one more class here. I'm going to give the class name as SIX6. It doesn't matter what name you give, it's just an identifier. It can be anything. And I'm going to have one at the rate of test and the method name like public void test case 6 starting and ending. Make sure that you import at the rate of test. Now, if you see here, you have so many test cases present here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have so many test cases present now. Question is how to run multiple test cases together in the TestNG. All you have to do is do the right click on the package in which all the TestNG classes you have. After doing that, please go to TestNG and convert to TestNG. After doing conversion to the TestNG, you need to be sure that all the 7 classes or whatever the number of classes present here are definitely present here too. You have to confirm this. And you also have the freedom to give some different location. You also have a freedom to pass the different test name. So let me show it to you once. I'm going to give the location name as, let's say I'm giving functional test cases. Just for learning purpose, I have done this, right? So I have given the name as functional test cases. My suit is, let's say smoke suit. My test is smoke testing. So I have changed the name. You have changed the name here, but it is now reflecting here. You have changed the name here, but it is now reflecting here. Wonderful. Everything looks fine to me. If everything looks fine, you can click on the finish button. Once you click on the finish button, guys, you will see the birth of a XML file here, right? One XML file will take a birth here. Hope you guys are able to see. If you are able to see this XML file, just do the double click on it. Once doing double click, please confirm if everything that you have updated is really reflecting here, right? First is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. All classes are present. Once after doing this, you can either click on the run functional test cases.xml, choice is yours, or you can also do the right click here, run as TestNG suite. You can do this too. After doing this, you can see here the total test cases run are equals to 21. Total test cases run equals to 21. That means in the 7 classes, total at the rate of test we had was 21, right? And now all of them are passed. Because it is skeleton. As of now, I have not added anything in it. That's why all of them are passed, right? Now, what I will do, I will refresh my project. Not really required. I have done it. Go to test output and click on enumerable report. Once you click on enumerable report, you can see the report that which all test cases executed, how much time it took, and every details. Once you generate the report, you can see this in which you can happily see the test was smoke testing. Total past test cases are 21. Total skipped are 0. Total retried are 0, right? And we are doing smoke suit. Smoke suit means all smoke test cases together are called as smoke suit. Total failed are 0. Total time it took to give you the result is 177 millisecond. 177 millisecond means 0.177 second. As of now, I have not included the groups, neither excluded the group. What is groups? We'll talk later. Don't worry, guys. Here also, you can see its beautiful report. Now, if I look at this 5, test case 5, let me open that. Here you can see I have given the invocation count as 10. That is why here total test 1 is repeating 10 times, right? So if you don't want this to happen, you can simply go and provide invocation count 1. I'm pretty sure you all remember what is invocation count. Invocation count is used in the TestNG to invoke the test case as many times as you want. If you are not providing invocation count, that means by default, it is going to take invocation count equals to 1, right? What I'm going to do now, whatever the XML file that you already had, I'm going to do the right click on it, run as a TestNG suite now once again. And once after doing that, I can now see the total test cases have been reduced by 9 because earlier they were 10 in 5. Java, but now I have reduced to 1. Total reduced by 9. So now I can see total test cases run are equals to 12. Now what I can do, I can again go to that emailable report and just need not again click on emailable report and get the new report. You can just refresh it. Once you refresh it, it will give you the exact idea that how many are passed, how many are failed, and every detail. Which test case got executed first, which test case got executed later. You can also see from here. Let me show you. You can see from here. First TestNG got run, then 2 got run, then 3 got run, then 5 got run, then 6 ran, 4 ran, and finally 1 test case got ran. Guys, it all depends how you are passing the different classes in the XML file. If you're passing this file on top, that means this is only going to execute first. If you're passing this file at the last, that means this file will execute at the last. The ultimate goal of this video was to help you understand how to generate the emailable report and how you can have your own suite name and how you can have your own test name. I hope this video was helpful. In case yes, give a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel Software Testing by MKT, and please share this video with your new friends. Thank you so much.